These how to 1 minute will show you how to add a pros and cons table to WordPress website using a plugin. Follow this step-by-step guide to add a very professional pros and cons table to your WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. And click on search plugins box and type here pros and cons. And here you have to install this plugin affiliate booster. So install it and activate it. Once the plugin created, now create a new post or page to create a pros and cons table. So I'm going to creating a new post and I'm writing the post title here. And now click on add block and in the search box type pros, and here you will get this block AB pros and cons, and these blocks comes from the plugin we are just installed. So click on the block to add it, and as you can see a pros and cons table has been added. Now it's time to add item. So I'm going to simply copying and pasting pros items and now let's add cons items. And now it's time to customize this table, right? To do that, select the block and here you will get AB pros and cons settings. Click on general and here you can change heading, tag, typography. You can enable or disable box shadow option. Click on pros settings and here you can change your pros title. You can add an icon here for your pros table. Then click on cons settings and here you can change your cons title. You can add an icon and click on typography and you can change your typography here. Then go to color section and here you can change your pros background color, your cons background color, text color. So this is how we can add pros and cons table to WordPress website. As you can see, it's added perfectly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.